Hi everybody. Last video we learned how to declare a variable. So we have many ways to declare a variable, but the first one we were doing, the first time we ever declare a variable through this lesson, we were assigning this variable a value straight, and they using the equal sign that we call assignment operator. So this is the value and this is the variable or a container of this value, and this is the type of the variable, which is string. So there are many types, as we said. We can create another one, which is the int type, like say number 1 equal 23, LeBron James number. LeBron James. All right, let's do create another variable, int number 2. Let's say maybe 34, some basketball player maybe. So, and then we do some math calculation. Let's say int results equal number 1 plus number 2. We're doing just an addition here. So what we're doing here is like we create this variable, whereas this variable number 1, whereas 23 as a value, and we create another variable number 2, whereas 34 as a value, but both of them they are type int. Int means integer, so that you can do calculation. And we create another variable here. We're saying here is like, oh, do the addition or whatever you're gonna find inside number 1 and plus what you find in number 2, and then whenever you're gonna get the result of the addition, place it inside results. So what we're gonna do with that, let's say, okay, let's print the results on the screen using system out print, as we say last lesson. So let's see if it's gonna give us what we're expecting. We're expecting like 57. Let's run and see. Okay, as you can see, it shows 57 here. 57, yeah. So that's how we do calculation, creating a variable, but type int. There are also other type, which is double, long and short, that acts as they act as a int type. Like int is like for doing calculation. One string, maybe it's just as if you're using Microsoft Word, you have to put quotation, but for int you don't need quotation. So there are multiple type of variables, and there is also many way of declaring variable. That's it. Have a nice day.